Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are up the street from Sawmill. We're cleaning up this white oak. I bucked off the top of it, and the landowner has got his own tractor with forks, so he's going to move all the limbs and all that, and then we'll work our way back to the stump. Appreciate y'all being here. Boy, it sure sucks that white oak fell. It was holler and all that, but look at the acorns it was producing. Well, that's a pretty good size acorn come off that white oak. But, waste not, want not. Me and the young'un will come up here with an old fan rake and snow shovel. We're going to get all these acorns up. It's deer season, y'all, so we'll take them down there in the bottom, pile them up for the deer. One less bag of corn we're going to have to buy this year. this side to pick it up, and I'm on this side to drop. If you can get that one out of the way, I can cut the next link. That one's split. It's still hung good. Yeah. Little top. If this one gets out of the way, I'll be able to come in, cut it, and that whole top should be free. Yeah. It shouldn't roll because of that corner there. If it does, it ain't going far. Yeah. Cut that back right yonder, and then I'll cut it there, and then I'll try to work on that one that's laying on the drain. But I'm liable to have you on that side with the fork underneath it, so lift it up and pop it. You know what I'm saying? It just depends. Perfect. Worked out perfect. That's a good nerve, Paul. I got the salt, I went a little too far. Close to the last cut, get the saw hung one time. Got it. shake that. Make it feel warm and fuzzy, buddy. Got it. Is it too heavy? Yep. Let's get sketchy. There you go. Had to lock that differential. It'd be alright. Too heavy? You want me to go get my loader? Hey, lost your forks.
That's the problem.
There you go, straight on. Turn back to there you go, keep going. Alright, hold on. There you go. Now turn back hard left. There you go. Now go forward. Drop it a little bit. Alright, get it again hard forward. Damn. Lift up on it just a little bit. Alright. Go up a little bit. You probably got it on that side. Alright, just see if you can back out. There you go. There you go. Now you broke. Now we got it.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it. It's still hung up. I need to get over there and push it this way. It's still got something hanging in there. I can feel it.
Well, you can get right here.
Yeah, there's something that's right there. Maybe I left something down there. That's it. Yeah, right there.
Now we'll find out. I don't know, let's see. That's a heavy dead blame stump right there. You want me to go get the loader? This was the very first shot we had. All them limbs and everything is gone now. We got it cleaned out for the most part. Richard's tractor, his loader, won't quite pick that stump up. It's got a little too much weight to it. So he's gonna roll it on down the hill. Okay, so I went to the house and got Wally, the loader, to move this stump. Y'all watch this. It's about to get sketchy. What y'all think about that? That's what I'm talking about. That is the way to end the video. So we got everything cleaned up. We got a little fan raking to do and all that. But other than that, she's good to go. This weekend, I am going on a fishing trip with a group of fellers. And we're going to go set a bunch of lines in the river. And we're going to see if we can track some of them blues down and rip a couple lips. So thinking about taking the old video camera with me down there. We'll see what happens. Maybe a little bit. It's deer season, so I'm liable to take it deer hunting. You don't never know. But we appreciate y'all tuning in. Like and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. God bless. Remember, two people love y'all, Neil and Jesus. Okay, bye-bye.